Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. As promised, I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous matzo blueberry icebox cake for Passover. Alright, let's get started. So first you're going to need 1 cup or an 8-ounce bar of softened cream cheese. And I'm just going to start whipping it here just to get it smooth and ready for the cream and sugar. Alright, and next we're going to take 1/2 cup of superfine sugar, and if you don't have superfine sugar, you can just take 1/2 cup of your regular cane sugar and blend it in something like a NutriBullet or a coffee grinder. I'm going to add that to the mix. And then we are going to get our 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And make sure your mixer is not running too high or you're going to splash it a little bit like I just tried to do here. And we are just going to continue to let this whip until it thickens up, but I'm going to stop once just to scrape the bowl because the cream cheese is getting stuck to the side. Now we are nice and thick here to our desired consistency, and we're going to add 3/4 cup of frozen wild blueberries, and you want to use frozen because of the purple color you're going to get, and you want to use wild because they are nice and small so they won't make a very chunky cake. And I just love this gorgeous purple color that these frozen blueberries make. Alright, now we're just going to put that to the side while we make our simple syrup. So we're going to take 5 tablespoons of superfine sugar, and we are going to take 1/4 cup of water. We're just going to stir that together, and then we're going to put that on like a medium to high heat until the sugar dissolves or it's clear. And next we're going to line a square tin or a large serving dish with some plastic wrap, and we want to make sure it's long enough that it's going to cover the cake. And we're doing like a crisscross pattern with the plastic wrap. And I actually bought this square tin just for this recipe, but it turns out you really don't need it. You can just use any plate that's large enough to hold your matzah flat. Alright, now it's time to build this cake or something. Alright, so you're going to need a spatula for frosting and a brush and some matzah. Alright, so we're going to start with 6 sheets of matzah. We got the one in the pan already. And we are going to start brushing it with our simple syrup. And once that's soaking wet, we're going to add 1/5 of our blueberry cream cheese mixture. Repeat that process 4 more times. right, and once matzah number 6 is brushed with the syrup, we are going to wrap this in our plastic wrap, sealed up nice and tight, and we are going to put it in the fridge either overnight or for at least 4 hours to chill. Alrighty, so our cake has had plenty of time in the fridge to chill, and we are going to make our whipped cream frosting, and you can do this right before serving. So we're taking 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, and we're going to whisk that together in our stand mixer using the whisking attachment. And then once it thickens up a little bit, we're going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of superfine sugar. And it's looking pretty good here, and you don't want to whisk too long or you're going to get butter. Alright, so we're going to take our cake, unwrap it, and flip it onto our serving dish. Now our beautiful icebox cake is ready to frost, and we're going to take our whipped cream frosting and spread it on about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick. And now I'm going to use my spatula to just straighten out the sides. And now our beautiful cake is ready for some topping. We got some frozen blueberries here that I just rinsed off with water. We're going to put those on top. And then we are going to slice into this beauty. And there it is. Look at that gorgeous color. This cake is so beautiful, and it's going to look so awesome on your Passover table. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you end up making this recipe, please let me know how it went for you. Let me know in the comments, and please share this video with your friends. Have a happy Passover, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.